Jackson's being silly. I think I'm gonna record over this with music.
What?
I'm gonna record over it with music.
Okay.
And what does A, F, C, Y, X spell?
I don't think it spells anything.
We gotta buy some more Coke glasses. Sorry.
Can you spell Hunter?
H-U-N-T-E-R.
Yeah, spell it with the magnets. H U N
N
T E R.
R.
And you can spell Jackson. J
You want them?
A. Hey, okay, we're done.